if you compare, so, we don't look at the AI race according to the American definition. We look at the entire stack of where China has the advantage. You start with energy. China has an advantage in electricity generation, and that's because 15 years ago, the government had the foresight to invest massively in energy transmission. When you generate electricity in the north, it has to be be transported to the south, right? And when you generate electricity, especially in clean energy, where there's sun, there's wind, there's water, not necessarily is where they need the electricity. So it has to be transmitted to somewhere else. So the state grid in China, there's two grids, right? There's a north and south. They make $90 billion of CapEx annually. The United States, 30 billion only. So the United States is massively underinvesting in electricity transmission. And, but China has been doing this for the last 15 years. And the result of that is China's installed base of electricity generation capacity is 2.6 times that of the United States. And even better, the net additions to capacity that China is putting in is 9 times that of the United States. So China's growth in electricity capacity is much, much faster than what's going on in the US. The end result of all of this is that China's electricity on a per kilowatt hour basis is about 40% cheaper than that of the United States. And then we look at how much it costs to build a data center. So it's 60% cheaper to build data centers in China. China has a lot of engineers, and it's the country that produces the most STEM students every year. And training, you would think that developing AI and training models is a very sort of high-level research type exercise, but a lot of the work is actually in the engineering. You have to work on the system to make the system very efficient in training the model with hundreds of billions of parameters, even 1 trillion parameters. If the system is not efficient, it will cost you a lot of GPU resources. So China being lacking in GPUs actually creates an advantage of starvation. When you don't have a lot of resources, you are forced to innovate at the systems level. And this is where China is strong. The biggest advantage is that I believe the approach that Chinese companies are taking toward the large language models, which is open source, will accelerate the adoption of AI